Hi, welcome to another video in terms of looking at its productivity, the PicoPix Max productivity here. Alright, so here we'll look at how can it install app, Android app, and how can it be installed. Now this unit doesn't come with a Google Store, Google App Shop yet, so the only way you can download app without doing anything to it out of the box is through this Aptile TV. I don't know how to say it correctly. It's kind of weird name. Now, okay, so I'm not connected. It's showing that I'm not connected to the internet. So we'll try again later. Alright, we're in. We're connected to the Wi-Fi, and the way you can download your app is through this Aptile TV. Okay, now it offers you some of the app that you already have, like YouTube, Netflix, VCR media player, and various of the app. Now, one thing to notice that some of the app compatibility is still not very good. Last night I was trying to download the Google Drive app. It downloaded and installed successfully, but I was not able to open the app and run anything on it. Okay. Now, coming back out, can you install an app, just from a USB drive? Let's look at that. Here now we go to the setting and we go to File Manager. Now I plug in a USB to the back of my unit there, and I just download a APK file from the internet. Alright, I just Google it and happen to be this Microsoft PowerPoint presentation app there. Alright, I download it. Now, like any other Android devices, the first time you install anything that is not really authenticated or something, you need to allow the you need to change the security or clearance setting here. Now here I click this APK app. I start into this staging app. Do you want to install this application? Yes. Install. Alright, give it a second. App installed. It's pretty quick, and in real time it takes about 10-15 seconds or so. Now we can it's finished. So I also preloaded several two different PowerPoint on my USB drive already. Let's see if I can open that. So this is another one of my lecture that I give in the university. Let's open it. Now this time I'm not connecting to any laptops, and I just want to plug in my USB into the PowerPoint and do my presentations. First time you click open with what kind of app. Okay, PowerPoint app. And you can use your mouse or the pointer on your remote, always. Alright, first time always asks you a lot of things. You allow the app to access your device. Yes. Setting up first time use, it always asks you to sign in to your Microsoft account. Well, it didn't ask me this time. Right, okay, here we are. Do you want to send data? Okay, then you show stuff. Okay, so now this pointer mouse on your remote is very useful in this case. This almost looks like exactly on your computer screen. So if you want to start your slideshow, you click your slideshows and from the beginning. There we are. So here's a lecture for Introduction to Pneumopharmacology. So if I were to give a lecture to my students, and it would be right away. Very straightforward, and everything is clear. All the text, pictures are showing very well on screen. Alright, so here is the conclusion is that can this unit download apps? Yes, from the built-in TV app, but the compatibility is an issue. Can the unit install app from a USB drive? The answer is yes. Again, but the compatibility is not guaranteed at this point. I happen to download a app that is from a very reputable developer, and it runs smoothly on this PicoPix Max. And for me, productivity is the big thing on top of watching movie, so I use it for a PowerPoint presentation. It worked pretty seamlessly, pretty flawlessly. So that's the conclusion of this productivity. If you want to see me trying to run different app, leave some comment. I usually don't do gaming a lot, so I in terms of Android gaming, so I don't know much. If you want me to try it out, name several things, then in the comment below, and I will try to make a video for you. If you like this video, click like, and if you want an instant update on my review on this PicoPix Max, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.